Welcome to our demonstration of Tacnode's analytical query capabilities. We'll be using SQL and PGAdmin for this demonstration. In the business world, we frequently encounter situations where data analysis is essential. We can optimize business decisions by analyzing sales data, marketing data, and consumer data. For example, by observing user behavior and preferences, we gain consumer insights. With these insights, we can then employ precision marketing, a targeted strategy focused on retaining, cross-selling, and upselling existing customers. From startups to established corporations, businesses of all sizes rely on data analysis to foster growth. When performing data analysis, we're often working with data on a large scale, and the queries tend to be quite complex. Generally, we'll need techniques like multi-table joins and aggregation operations. Next, we'll begin our demonstration of Tacnode's analytical capabilities using data from the Tacnode playground. For our first scenario, we need to search for the top 10 listings with the most reviews, and also display their locations. In this B&B application, we've modeled the listings using one table, the locations using another table, and the reviews in a third table. Since different information is stored in different tables, we need to perform join operations to satisfy the query criteria. We start with the listings table, which contains information about different properties that are listed on the site. We join the listings table with the review count subquery, where we calculate the number of reviews for each listing, and then sort these listings by review count to find the top 10 listings. Lastly, we can obtain the relevant location information for each listing by joining the host table with the listings table. And so now we get the final result for this query. So if we execute this query, we can see that the query returns the name and location of the top 10 listings with the most reviews along with their respective review counts. As we've just witnessed, Tacnode handles multi-table joins quite well with exceptionally fast query execution. For our second scenario, we have an analytical query with full text search. Let's say we need to find all listings containing the keyword condo that are open for reservations from January 1st to January 3rd, 2024, and then group them by room type. First, we need to filter out the listings from the calendar table with available dates within the specified time range. We perform an inner join between the listings table and the calendar table to look for availability data tied to each listing. Since the calendar table contains 500 million records, this is quite a challenging task for the query engine. And within these available listings, we also need to filter out the listings containing the keyword condo using full text search. And at the very end, we group by room type. So we group all the listings by room type and get our final result. And so now we can execute this query. And as we can see, Tacnode handles full text search and group by clauses quite well with fast and efficient query execution. From the results, we see that most of the listings that are available are homes and apartments, followed by private rooms. And with that, we conclude this demonstration of Tacnode's analytical query capabilities. Thank you for tuning in.